This is the foil fringe curtain we just got here that we have on our wall. We're going to be having this for a party so that people can take pictures behind here. It's just a really nice backdrop. Got the champagne color here, so this is what it looks like when you get it. This is 2 panels here. So 1 panel here, 1 over here. It's about 3.5 feet wide and about 6.5 feet tall. Right there, so you can see, nice and sparkly. Some nice little strands here, very nice and lightweight. Looks really cool. It's going to make a really nice backdrop. It does have double-sided tape, so you can just stick it to your wall really easily. You can add tape if you want as well, but looks like the double-sided tape is working well. So yeah, there you go. If you want a really nice decorative backdrop, this comes in a bunch of other colors as well. So yeah, definitely check these out if you are in need of this.